Hello, learners! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kira, and if you're new here, a big warm welcome to you. Last time, I shared my daily weekday routine. Today, I'm going to show you something a little different, my weekend routine. No alarms, no rushing, just a slow, peaceful day. Are you ready? Let's go! On weekends, I don't set an alarm. I let my body wake up naturally, and that feels so good. I usually open my eyes around 9 o'clock. I stay in bed for a few minutes, just looking at the ceiling, thinking about nothing. It's my favorite feeling in the whole week. Then I slowly sit up, stretch my arms and legs, and take a deep breath. No rush, no stress. Just me. I go to the bathroom, wash my face with cool water, and brush my teeth. Same as always, but everything just feels calmer. On weekdays, breakfast is quick, but on weekends, I take my time. I make something a little special, maybe pancakes or eggs with avocado toast, or just a big bowl of oats with fruit and honey. I always make a big cup of tea or coffee, and I sit down properly at the table. No phone, no rushing. Just me, my breakfast, and the quiet morning. Sometimes I open the window and listen to the birds outside. It's a simple thing, but it makes me happy. After breakfast, I like to tidy up a little. I wash the dishes, wipe the table, maybe water my plants, or organize my desk. I don't do big cleaning on weekends, just small, calming things that make my space feel fresh. A clean space equals a happy mind. See? Around 11:30, I love to go outside for a walk. Fresh air is so important, especially after a long work week. Sometimes I walk to a nearby park and just sit on a bench. I watch people passing by, dogs playing, trees moving in the wind. Other times, I meet a friend for coffee or visit a small local cafe to read or write in my journal. I don't plan too much on weekends. I like to see where the day takes me. For lunch, I either cook at home or eat out with a friend. If I cook, I make something simple and warm. Maybe fried rice, a big salad, or soup with bread. Cooking on a weekend feels different. I'm not in a hurry, so I actually enjoy it. If I go out, I choose a quiet little place. Nothing too fancy, just good food and good conversation. I love those long, relaxed lunches where time feels slow. The afternoon is my personal time. This is when I recharge. Sometimes I read a book, a novel, a self-help book, anything interesting. Sometimes I watch a movie or a series I've been saving all week. Other times I just listen to music and do absolutely nothing. And that's okay. Weekends are for rest, and rest is not lazy. Yes, sometimes I video call my family or friends who live far away. Those calls are always the best part of my weekend. In the late afternoon, I like to do something creative. Maybe I write in my journal, my thoughts, my feelings, my week. Maybe I draw, or try a new recipe, or rearrange things in my room. Sometimes I go for another short walk. I love the evening light. Everything looks golden and beautiful. This is my time to be me. Not an employee, not a commuter, just Kira. For dinner on weekends, I cook something I really love. Maybe pasta with tomato sauce, or grilled vegetables with rice, or sometimes I order food and treat myself. No judgment. I light a small candle, play soft music, and eat slowly, enjoying every bite. It's a little ritual that I love. In the evening, I do a little skincare routine. I wash my face, apply moisturizer, and feel refreshed. Then I sit on my bed and write in my journal. What did I enjoy today? What am I grateful for? It helps me end the day with a grateful heart. I read a few pages of my book, put my phone away, and slowly drift off to sleep, ready for a new week. More de otra semana. And that's my weekend routine. I hope it felt relaxing just to watch, because it definitely feels relaxing to live. Weekends are so important for recharging our energy, spending time with people we love, and doing things that make us happy. What do you do on weekends? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to know. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who's learning English. See you next time. Take care and have a wonderful weekend.